Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actions now. Check Windows Update and install pending patches because Nightlight depends on system updates. Open Settings, go to System then Display and find Nightlight. Toggle it on to test immediately. Make sure your time zone and clock are correct since scheduled mode relies on accurate time. Once done, try the manual Turn on Now button to confirm the feature responds before moving to deeper fixes. Next, tackle deeper causes that stop Nightlight working. Update or reinstall display drivers from Device Manager because driver conflicts often block color temperature changes. If that fails, reset Nightlight entries in the registry or run the Settings app repair. This removes corrupt preferences. Also inspect third-party utilities and HDR settings. Apps like Lux or GPU control panels can override Nightlight. Make sure graphics drivers, color controls aren't forcing sRGB or HD. Finish the process by applying and verifying changes. Restart Windows Explorer or perform a full reboot so drivers and settings reload cleanly. Test Nightlight manually and via schedule. If it still fails, create a new user profile to determine whether corrupted user settings caused the issue. Make sure to re-enable anything you temporarily disabled. One key troubleshooting tip: disable HDR and any color temperature apps while testing, because they commonly take precedence and make Nightlight appear non-functional.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.